Summer is at its peak and it's time to give your classic desi desserts a fruity twist. So today we're making not one but two irresistible treats with the queen of fruits, strawberries. First up, a creamy strawberry Shrikhand and then a chilled melt in your mouth strawberry kulfi. Let's get mixing. For the strawberry Shrikhand, start with fresh curd. Tie it up in a cotton cloth and let it hang for 4 to 5 hours. We want all that excess water to drain out. Now what you're left with is thick, creamy hung curd, our base for Shrikand. Now transfer it to a bowl and beat it till smooth. Then add powdered sugar, just enough to sweeten it to your taste. Now comes the star, strawberry crush. You can also use strawberry syrup if that's handy. Mix it all up, chill it in the fridge and it's ready to serve. Have it chilled with puri, chapati or just dig in with a spoon. Next up is a strawberry kulfi. For this, start with full fat milk in a pan. Let it simmer while you stir continuously. Once it's reduced slightly, add in that dreamy condensed milk. Stir it all together. Now make a corn flour slurry, just corn flour and a little water. Add it to the milk and keep stirring till it thickens. Low flame is the key. Now let it cool down a bit and add pistachio powder, chopped strawberries, 1 drop of pink food color and a few drops of kulfi essence. Now mix it all up beautifully and let it cool completely. Next is to pour the mixture into kulfi molds. Freeze it for 7 to 8 hours. Now there it is, creamy, fruity, utterly dreamy strawberry kulfi. Garnished with a sprinkle of pistachio powder and you're done. Whether it's creamy Shrikand or frozen kulfi, strawberries bring that perfect summer vibe. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.